Purezidenti Museveni byabwambira izuba rya nyuma ibibazo bwabira ryo mugenyi mukora kucingaho urukiko rw'ebiro bibiri orubire ruri hagati y'aba officer ku rw'omu Directorate of Public Prosecution DPP hamwe na Criminal Investigations Directorate CID.
In the UPDF, we encourage the building of army schools. Why don't children of biological children, not relatives, not what, because that also becomes another complication. Why don't the biological children of the soldiers, and by extension you can say of the policemen,
urukiko rwitabirwemo na minisita w'enshonga z'omunda General Kahindo Tafire kandi rushitamira aha kitebe kikuru kya CID omu rukivu Kampala. Orutebeekanisibwa aha mutwe ogubire nigugira the contribution of ODPP/CID in the socio-economic transformation of Uganda. Ba officer barukika rukaga na 20 nibo barwetabiremu.
I like the ideas of Justice Abodo, like the land issues being handled promptly, locally, instead of firing lawyers and so on. That's you study Abodo's idea of handling them off grid.
I bleed when I see police officers who are working at Ginger Road sleeping in Mukono, and they must come to work on time and then go back on their meager salaries. There is need for housing, the police, the prison, and the Directorate of Immigration.
We DPP yaraganise ku ofisi yerukuza kongera amano mu kuhereza abanya-Uganda obuhereza burungi na mnongo kurwanisa ibikorwa by'omwihanga.
The standard of service expected of us is really high, and which consequently places on us the duty to take reasonable steps to ensure that our services are actually effective, they are fair, they are transparent, and that we are also skilled and up to date in addressing emerging challenges in the crimes in Uganda.
And Your Excellency, I remember your words. You gave me 5 priorities in that discussion, which I want to quickly recall. The first one, you guided us, said, go and focus on the mindset change. Try to build a critical mass in CID that understands the country's direction, and then we can be able to have transformation.
Mukuru wa pooriisi ya Uganda IGP byakagaba ahamize Purezidenti Museveni ngo ibikorwa by'omwihanga biliyoni bicendera wagerageranisa n'emyaka y'enyuma.
Crime in the country is on the downward trend, as indicated in the annual crime report of 2023, Your Excellency, and we anticipate this trend to continue going downwards.
Amakuraga Gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.